Paula Jane, and today's video is gonna be a clean my car with me or whatever, because my car is fucking dirty, bro. It's dirty as fuck. It's almost September and I haven't cleaned my car since like March, so it's been a minute, bro. Go ahead and do it is I'm gonna take out all the trash. I'll show you guys a before right here. And then I'm gonna go ahead and take out all of that trash y'all just saw. And I'm gonna go ahead and then go take my car to the car wash. It's like, you know, the ones where you could vacuum yourself, like $3 or something. I'm gonna just go there. I'm gonna probably get the most expensive one there, but I'm like, I don't like going to the car washes where I live anyways. I just feel like I always have a bad experience at car washes. So yeah, I hope you guys like this video and hope you guys keep watching. So I'm gonna go ahead and get started on cleaning my car, but I need to go get trash bags first. All right, I'll be right back. Look at the little boy looking at me. There's this little boy watering his plants and he's like, so I got the trash bag and I'm gonna go ahead and start cleaning my car. I feel like I should take this inside, but I heard that the sun messes up the water when it's like outside too long. What's to my tripod? Trash. 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 Look. Okay, so I'm pretty much just getting stuff from right here. And oh my god, I just realized everything in the trash. Me trying to set up my camera, everything fell. Look, I got this bag. I'm so pissed. But yeah, this is what I'm trying to clean up right now. I'm gonna just show y'all what I'm doing because, bro, all that shit fell out. Bro, a whole ass cookie. Take inside. Take all this inside. Bro, look at all of this trash already. Gross. I just went ahead and I finished okay, let me turn down the air. It's hot. It's hot. Okay, anyways, I just went ahead and I finished cleaning and taking everything out of my car. So what I'm gonna go ahead and do now is I'm gonna go to the car wash. Hopefully it's not busy. Okay, y'all, so I'm here. I'm just in line. But anyways, I got the most expensive one, the Champion wash, and that was 20 bucks, and it says I could buy one get one if I like do the little thingy, and I could get $5 off my next stop. It's a big ass like receipt. But yeah, right. Dog, honestly, I would hate to live right here. You could dead ass see in these people's backyards. That's crazy, bro. I'm so weak. I really hope this. This car just. It just wet in it. Ooh, he get it. Okay, hold up. Bro, that car just fucking wet me. No, you're okay. Thank you. So weak. That shit's so funny. I'm sorry. The fact that I got that shit on video is the funniest thing ever. Dog. Oh, sorry. I don't know. Like, my car was doing this weird ass shit right now, but bro. Alright, guys. I just got my car washed and I'm like here, like under the little visor thing. But the worker guy complimented my smile after they wet me. That was nice of him. But this is what they gave me. So bad. But they gave me a whole ass like cloth. They gave me a air freshener. And they gave me a base wipe. What? Alright, yeah. I'm finna start cleaning my car though because I'm not trying to be here. I said I ain't got no boyfriend. Oh. Okay, y'all. I'm done vacuuming my car for the most part. I'm gonna go like wipe inside my car at home because bro, that guy who at the guy from who told me my smile was cute, he asked me for my number, he asked me for my Snapchat. I gave him my Snapchat just to like get him away from me. So I'm home now. Now I can finally like clean. I was getting too like overwhelmed at the car wash. So I have a bunch of like my cleaning supplies for when I clean my car. But first, I'm gonna use the cleaning wipes. I got this big old pack from Target. It's a cleaning one, and I'm gonna just clean everything. Alright guys, so I just finished wiping down everything in my car. Honestly, it doesn't look the best. I kind of half-assed it because it's hot as fuck right now. I live in Arizona and this heat can be crazy, so I'm gonna be honest, I really didn't try. But I want to eventually take my car to get detailed, hopefully one day. But I'll just show you guys a little overview of my car and how it looks. That was me cleaning my car. Yeah, hope you guys liked today's video and like, comment, subscribe.
Like the way she works, yeah. She always puts me first, yeah.